Hello everyone. Today I will share how to draw this exercise. This exercise is from the AutoCAD exercise book. In the previous lesson, I was sharing how to draw this exercise. Now we will draw this exercise. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, we draw the circle here. The radius is 15. So type the circle command D enter and click the center Y and 15 enter. And the next one is we will draw the circle radius 32.5. C enter and click the center Y and type 32.5 enter. And then we will draw this circle. This radius, no, it is diameter. This diameter is 22. C enter and choose the quadrant Y and click and press D enter, 22 enter. And then we array this circle. So type AR enter. Array command is AR enter, and select the circle and enter and choose the polar. And then click the center Y. Okay. Make sure we open the associated. Okay. And we can delete this circle. The next one is we will draw this circle. The radius is 50. C enter and click the center Y and 50 enter. Okay, the next one is we will draw this circle. This circle radius is 125. C enter and click the center Y and 125 enter. Sure, this is a little close. I will move this later. The other radius is 115. C enter, click the center Y and 115 enter. And the next two is 145. C enter, center Y, 145 enter. And the next one is 155. C enter, 155 enter. Okay. The next one is we will make the angle. The angle is 37 degrees. So in here we don't have 37 degrees, so we need to go to the tracking setting and click new and type 37. Okay, so in here we choose 37. Okay, so type line command L enter and click the center Y and choose 37. In here we will see 37 degrees, so click OK. And for other side we will mirror, so type the mirror command and I enter, select enter and choose the mirror exit. Click enter. So we need to trim the other side. So click the trim command TR enter and choose these two lines and type enter and delete the other side. Now we can delete these two lines. Okay, next one is we need to draw the edge here. So we will measure the distance PI enter here to here. The distance is 20. Okay, so go to the draw, choose the edge and stand and radius. distance and radius. So click the step Y and Y, and the radius is 10, enter. Okay, so the next one is the I, enter. The distance, the click. The diameter is 40, so the radius is 20. So go to the draw, add stand, choose the stand and radius, click the step Y and Y, and the radius is 20, enter. So we got this. For the other side, we will mirror, and I, enter, and select, and then choose the mirror exit, enter. So we got here, but we need to fix a little. The distance here is 43.4, so we check the distance. Here to here is 65, so type the line command and click 43.4, enter. So we need to move this and enter, and select this. Okay, and the next one is we need to offset this line. The distance is 40, so we need to offset 20. Oh, enter, 40, enter, and offset the other side and to the other side. And here we need to fillet. The fillet radius is 5, so type the fillet command, S, enter, I, enter, 5, enter, and we need to fillet here and type enter, and we fillet the other side. And this line we can delete. And here we need to fillet bird. This is we need to break this. So type the break command, BR, enter, and select this, and then choose the first Y and click the mid Y, and the second break is the mid Y. Okay, so we got two segments. Okay, so we can fillet here, as enter, here and here. Okay, finally we got this. For more exercise, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.